What's up everyone? Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name's Maya.
If I like it, then that's what I get. Yeah. I want it, I got it, I want it.
Today I am bringing you my moving vlog part 1. So if you guys didn't see my apartment hunting video, I am moving to Washington D.C. I attend Howard University and the time has come to move into my apartment. So we kind of had a rocky start to the day. Problems with the elevator, just it was a little mess, but the beds are here now. We have most of our things in the apartment and now we're just gonna unpack and be moving in. I don't know, I'm so excited, but yeah, let's get into the vlog. Okay, so the first problem, not really a problem, but just something I wasn't expecting is that one, the floors are different. They are like a light wood, which is pretty, but you know, wasn't expecting that. Next, my closet is actually not as big as it was supposed to be, which that is a bummer, but well, we will make it work. And then one last thing. So, like I said, if you guys saw that video, the cabinets and stuff were white and they are dark brown. Again, it's not a crazy big problem or issue, but it's just, oops, sorry about that. It's just kind of one of those things that like, I wish I had known so I could have prepared better. They gave us this little card and then some presents, which is super cute. But other than that, I mean, everything's just kind of sitting around and I guess we will be trying to make it work right now. Look how funny this is. We got here probably like, I don't know, 2 hours ago. Look. This is my brother and he isn't knocked out. This is hilarious. And he's gonna kill me for putting this in. But you know, maybe you shouldn't have fallen asleep while we're trying to move in. Everything is in the apartment, but now there are also some people coming to build the furniture for me. So there's like I think three guys coming, so we're gonna let them do their thing. I will probably just start organizing, so let's go see what I do. So this is all the furniture, like I said, not built yet. We have this in the corner. If you guys watched my home decor haul, you saw that. We have paintings over here. Everyone's just kind of putting stuff away, doing whatever. I just did some stuff in the cabinets. This is what it's looking like. Like I said earlier, home goods, IKEA, home goods, home goods, home goods. Leanna got me that. I think that's about it, but like it's super cute. It's probably not gonna stay this nice all the time, but I'm gonna try. Also over here, it's kind of busy, but the plan is to have a little Keurig. And then I want to put my mugs up here. I have a few more to put in there, but super cute. Look at these Ray Dunn ones. And then probably do like teas in here. Not too sure. We have garbage under here. I think that's about it that we've done so far, but yeah. Again, if you guys saw my home decor haul, I got these vases and flowers and they were supposed to go in the kitchen, but it doesn't look as good as I thought it was gonna look. So they're gonna go in my bathroom and I feel like it's gonna turn out so good. Okay, I really like that. And I went from a different angle in my bathroom so I could see it and I think it's still cute. It's something so like plain and basic and I feel like it's not gonna be noticeable. But it's the little things and I feel like that's really gonna take it out. And then I'm also putting this up. Not sure where, but that's pretty much all we really have to do. Just still waiting on the furniture people and then yeah. Something that I really like about the apartment that I didn't notice when I was touring it was that actually all the doors and the door frames are gray. So the walls are white, doors are gray. And you know, it's something so small, but like I feel like this makes like a nice difference. It's not just like a plain wall. It like brings contrast, but I just think it's super cool. And I definitely did not notice this when I was moving in. All right, so at this point, the furniture is still being made. It's like an outside company, so I don't want to record these guys and have to like be like, hey, can you be on the camera? But I'll show you guys kind of what we have going on. Again, I don't want to show too much because I'm waiting for the apartment tour, but I do just want to say it is a beautiful building. And I was sitting on the deck and all the lights came on and the pool was having its little color show. You guys don't know what I'm saying. I'll put a picture of what I mean. And it was just so beautiful and I'm just so thankful and grateful and I really cannot believe that I'm living here. it's just insane, and it hasn't really hit me yet. And if you don't know, I'm not here full time yet, so I'm moving in today, and I will be continuing this move-in along the next couple days, weeks, you know, whatever. So, you know, I'm not 100% moved in yet, so I feel like it hasn't hit me yet. But my first night in this apartment alone, like just my brother and I might cry, I might shed a tear, I don't know. That is insane. Okay. LOL. I know. It's the next day. I'm doing terrible with this vlog. But when I tell you we have had so many issues, it's like kind of ridiculous how many issues we had. I probably am gonna have to title this like moving vlog fail. So one, it took like 9 hours for the furniture to be being built. So the furniture wasn't done until like 12 a.m. and it wasn't even done. So people have to come back. We need to finish the furniture. We also had an issue with the couch. So the couch is supposed to be like a sectional, like a chase lounge. This is connected. I'm gonna put a picture of what it's supposed to look like. Pretty much, this needs to be taken off, this pushed in, this adds to here, but it's like a lot of work. I wasn't thinking it was gonna be this much work. So that needs to be done. We need to add metal things so this could connect. I want to get something for here. TV has to be put up. Now the plant is the only thing that is pulling through for me right now. Another issue. So I had this pretty picture up, framed and everything, right here. Falls, frame breaks. So I feel like the luck of this move is just going pretty bad right now, but it's okay. I have washcloth over there. I need to move, but oh my god. I promise the next vlogs are gonna be a little bit better and more eventful than this, but anyway, I'm really liking my braids. I have to take them out soon. I've had them for like 2 weeks now, but my hair's frizzy, so I should take them out soon, but I actually like, it's cute. So another update I didn't get to is bed is made. We have some pillows. I unfortunately forgot real pillows to sleep on, so we had to use my throw pillows last night. But I did want to mention this blanket. This one is a Barefoot Dreams blanket, and I know I feel like it's not that popular or like talked about, and I know why. This blanket, it's supposed to be like $150. I know, ridiculous. I got it on sale for $50. I know, still ridiculous, but it is the most, like, I wish you guys could feel it through the camera, because I feel like I can't even accurately describe it, and I feel like it makes no sense to understand why I would spend $50 on it, but it was really nice and really worth it. And I wish I could send you all Barefoot Dreams blankets, because it really changed my sleeping game. I really like them. But yeah, so that's gonna be on my bed. It's so soft. It doesn't even look like it's soft, but it's like the best blanket I've ever tried. This one is from Marshall's. I think it was like $6 on sale. Then we just have 2 pillows. I know, it looks ratchet. We're gonna add some pillows behind it. These will sit up like this. It'll be pretty. Okay, so this is my mom. Say hi. Hi. Okay, we have our mask on because the furniture is being built, but look how cute this setup is. The sign is from Etsy. The mirror is from HomeSense. Those are obviously shopping boxes. But I really like this. I think this part of the room looks super cute, and I can't wait to decorate the rest of it. Ooh. So the part that has been giving us trouble for this entire move-in, the furniture, is finally all completed. So this is like the final product for the couch, so we were able to fix that. This pillow's here, but I don't think it's gonna stay. So here we go. We have pictures going up there, and now we're in my bedroom, but can't see it yet. Not until the official apartment tour. So let me cover everything. It's also not done yet, so that's why you can't see it, but we're furnished. We are going back home now. Stay tuned for my part 2 of this move-in vlog. This is gonna be 3 parts, so part 2 will be coming very soon. So hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, on Twitter. My social will be right here on the screen. I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday at 12 p.m. So stay tuned for that because, you know, posting 3 times a week. I'm always hitting you guys with more content. So, sorry, I'm just so tired. I'm like delusional right now. Yeah, that's the end of this. And I'm so excited to be moving, and I'm so grateful to have been in the apartment. It's so pretty, and I can't wait to show you guys like a full furnished tour. Okay, tired. Bye.